What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Trader Central series here. This is a video you guys have probably been waiting for. I'm gonna request a withdrawal from Trader Central Fund from my current live account. I got this live account just a few days ago, and with only 2 trading days I was able to make just about $600. I had few losses and I had just one win, and luckily I was able to end the month with just $600 profit. And this is going to be my first payout for the 28th of February. Hopefully my next payout I can make more money to show that I've made more money and they can actually pay out a bigger amount of of money to traders. So just to show you guys a step-by-step process, this is my overview page. As you can see, this is the curve of my trading results. And if I head over to the portfolio page, here's a portfolio page. You can see the actual objective here. For this funded account, you actually have an option to do something called capital growth, which means every 10% profit you make, if you decide not to withdraw the funds, they are gonna increase your fund. So from a $200,000 account, if I make 20% and I choose not to withdraw it, I have the opportunity to have that account doubled into 400,000. That's if I want. So maybe later in the year, if everything is going well, I will consider the capital growth. But for now, we're going to be making a withdrawal. As you can see here, my trades are down here. I think one trade is actually not showing here. I think it's due to maybe some kind of glitch. But on my MT5 account, there was another trade which resulted in a loss, I think about $500, and this was my only winning trade. So let's see. Let me go ahead and request the withdrawal. So it's actually, you're gonna be doing that from the overview page. You're gonna see a section here that says bank, and what you're gonna do is click it. You're gonna make sure you selected your plan. I'm doing the OTF challenge, so over here you're gonna click withdraw, and for the options of withdrawal you have 3 options. You have Bitcoin, I think this is USD coin, and this is Tether. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click the Bitcoin option, and it's telling me here, please visit the money tab in the profile page to set your withdrawal method. Okay, I think there's something I need to do before I can withdraw. So it's telling me to go to my profile, money. Okay, Bitcoin address. Let's see. Paste, update. Okay, so I needed to do this first before I can withdraw. Just update my profile and put my Bitcoin wallet here. Is this actually Bitcoin address? Okay, yeah, it's making sure. Update. So we're good. All right, now I can go ahead and make my withdrawal. All right, long-term challenge. Back to options. There we go. It's all good now, guys. So validation password. And I'm gonna send my request for withdrawal. So I'm gonna go ahead and send. All right, so I got my receipt number. The date is the 28th of February, and the time right now is 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. If you come up here and click notification, it's already here. Withdrawal request placed, and actually just got an email that says it might take up to 48 hours for them to process the withdrawal. So I thought it was 24, but the email says 48, but I'll still let you guys know how long it takes. So in addition to making a profit withdrawal of the money that I've made here, so I'm gonna be making just about 85% of this total profit, and in addition to that, I'm gonna also be getting back my refund fee that I paid for this $200,000 account. So I paid using PayPal, if I can recall. I think I used PayPal to make the payment. So I'm going to be looking out, I'm going to keep an eye out for that as well to make sure that, the fee that I paid for this account is actually refunded, because that's one of their policies. They do refund your money back to you after your first profit split. No matter how much you make, once you request a withdrawal and the withdrawal is approved, you're gonna get your money back that you pay for this account. So, which is, this is actually the reason why I'm making this withdrawal, because I would have just kept it in and keep on trading, but I just want to make this risk free for me, so I can, it feels good knowing you have your money back, and you can now trade with a peace of mind, just knowing you have your money back and everything just keeps on flowing. So I'm going to keep an eye on that, and also keep you guys posted regarding that in this video, to see how long it's going to take to get that, and also this profit split. All right, so the withdrawal has actually been approved. So if you come to the overview page, you're gonna see it over here on the right side. So this is 85% of the profit I made. So it's pending right now, but it has been approved. I received an email saying it has been approved just a couple of hours after I requested the withdrawal. So let me show you guys the time. So I actually like this notification tab, because you can see the time I requested the withdrawal, and you can see the time that it was approved, just a couple of hours. So it's literally less than 24 hours. And over here they actually made a quick correction, because the withdrawal I requested was the full amount of profit I made. I could have actually done my calculation and input this amount, but it's whatever. If I make a mistake, they will correct it anyways. All right, so the payout has been approved, and I'm currently waiting to receive the money in my crypto wallet. So let's see when that's gonna happen.